Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another Sunday tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you to make this origami parallelogram flicker, and it's super simple to fold and it flies really well. Check this out. Oh, did you see that? Oh yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to know how to make it. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model I'm going to use a 10-inch square of kami. You could use a 6-inch square, but I recommend using a 10-inch square, or maybe a little bit bigger. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. Unfold, and now let's make a door base, so fold both sides to the middle. Okay, like this. Alright, now take the short edge and fold it onto the long edge. And rotate and repeat. Okay, like this. And now, let's take this point and fold it to here. There's already a crease here, but we're gonna make the crease go all the way through. Like, we're gonna make a show on this side too. Unfold and do that with this one too. Alright, now unfold. And now fold this up so the crease aligns with this middle line. And also make sure the edges align right here too. That way you know you're doing it perfectly. Okay, and repeat on this side. You can just take this edge and fold it to this edge. Okay, rotate like this and fold this corner to the middle. Like this. Actually, you can actually go a tiny bit further. You could fold it directly to the middle, but I'm gonna go a little bit further. Because we're going to be tucking this flap inside, so I'm going to make sure it goes a little bit beyond that edge right there. Okay, and now unfold, and let's fold it inside. So we're folding it on the crease, the same crease we made, but inside. Okay, unfold, and we're going to stick it into this pocket. Like that. Alright, now repeat all that on this side. So here we go. So I'm going to fold this corner a little bit past the middle. Just about like this. You can directly fold it to the middle if you want. That's what I did with the other model, but I'm just going to do it like this. Alright, and this step is actually optional. You don't have to fold it behind. You can keep it like this and stick it inside, but I'm going to fold it behind like this. This is what makes it look cleaner. Okay, and now lift this up and stick it inside. Like that. And even like this could be a nice flicker. But I'm going to show you to make it into a parallelogram. So, to make it into a parallelogram, we're going to take this flap and fold it up in between this point and this point. Okay, and we're gonna stick this flap inside, but it's sticking out a little bit, so it's too long right now, so we're gonna shorten this off a little bit. So just fold this up, just to taste. We're just shortening it off, that's all. Alright, and you could fold it behind like this, if you want, and that's actually what I'm gonna do. Might make it look cleaner. Unfold, and lift up the edge and stick it inside. Like that. That's actually a neat little lock right there. And repeat on this side. So fold in between these 2 points. This. and fold it like that, shorten it off, and stick it into the pocket. Like that. Alright, and we are done. Just kind of flatten it out like this. Grease everything sharply. Alright. And now, let's see how it flies. Alright, so to fly the thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm going to hold on this side and flick on this top edge. Oh yeah, and it flies pretty good. Oh yeah. Alright, well that's pretty much it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed folding it and flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.